I rise to participate in the obituary reference of our two veteran former ministers, late Khapri Sokhrongji and late Sering Tasiji. Both were first generation leaders of our same era and have great inspiration for us. I join with House in expressing my profound sorrow in the loss of such two great sons of Arunachal Pradesh. Sir, it is matter of extreme sorrow for us and the people of Arunachal Pradesh that we have lost our former minister, late Sering Tashi ji, who passed away on 15 October 2020 at the age of 69 due to prolonged illness. He was a great soul and inspiration for the people of Arunachal Pradesh. He came into active politics in 1978 and won the midterm poll in 1980. He inducted into the government as one of the 5 cabinet ministers after his first election. Speaker, sir, I, on behalf of people of Tezu, Sonpra and Lohit district, extend my deepest condolence to the aggrieved family members of late Sering Tashi ji. I pray the Lord Buddha to bless his soul eternal peace. Speaker, sir, with profound sorrow, I also would like to refer the sad demise of our former minister, late Khapri Sokhrongji, on 26 December 2020 at the age of 70 due to prolonged illness. He was born to late Khapri Sokhrong on 13 August 1950 in Tihuliang village in the Anjao district. He completed higher secondary school education from Government Higher Secondary School Tezu and graduation from JNC Pasigat in 1975. He was blessed with a wife and 6 children. With his demise, we lost guiding icon of our state. Sir, he commanded great respect across the political spectrum of the state. He was visionary leader, strong supporter of democratic values and indigenous culture. He served our budding state with utmost sincerity, dedication, and humanity and honesty. Late Khapri Sokhrongji entered into the politics in 1975 to 78 when he was nominated as a MLA from Tezu Highland Assembly constituency during the first Vidhan Sabha in 30 members of the House. Continuously, he was re-elected to the Assembly in 1980-84 from Tezu Highland Assembly constituency and in 1990 from Highland Assembly constituency as an independent candidate. During his political career as a cabinet minister, he held many important portfolios like education, agriculture, supply, transport, animal husbandry, etc. Speaker, sir, as a seasoned politician and social worker, late Khapri Sokhrongji contributed a lot for all-round development of the state and Mismi society in particular. He strongly believed that Arunachal Pradesh can progress only through the spread of education. His visible contribution in the field of education includes establishment of Kendra Vidyalayas, Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya, JNVs, degree college in different parts of our state, such as Indira Gandhi Government College at Tezu. During his tenure as education minister, he introduced Bharat Darshan Tour for Arunachali students in order to provide an opportunity to see them mainstream of our country. Significantly, due to his progressive initiative, many Arunachali students got exposure trip to different countries of the world. Sir, he worked tirelessly to uplift our Mismi society and promoted many social culture ideas as a patron of Kalsom in 1992 till last his breath. His great effort to streamline education system, healthcare, road communication, PDS system in Mismi Belt of undivided Lohit district will be cherished forever. I had an opportunity to meeting with many occasions, receiving his valuable guidance and advice. I remember the happy morning and evening we used to meet and talk together. On his demise, I personally lost a noble guide and mentor. Our state has lost a bright gem from its crown, and family has lost its father and as well as caring guardian. Honorable Speaker, sir, once again, may I take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt condolence to grieved families. And I pray to Lord Amik Matai Jab Malu to bless the great soul of late Khapri Sokhrongji, late Sering Tashi ji, eternal peace and heavenly about. Thank you, Speaker, sir, for giving the opportunity to participate in the obituary reference of these two great souls.